Ready? Where is my stick? Do you want stick throwing here? It's beautiful here. Big trees. Tired already. Been walking for 35 minutes, I guess. Wet floor. Ready? Oh, have you heard something? Uh-oh. She heard something. Squirrel hunting. Okay. Maggie. Maggie. Ready? Oh, you got it. You got it and left it. Not very good wood, is it? Right, we're going up, up and up, constant up. Whew. Let's see if she'll pick this up. Ready, Maggie? It's Naparo time. What are you up to, baby? You hardly see her. Have to rest before going up more. And she's not resting.